what has said, which is the strongest animal in the world? Which is stronger, an African bush elephant or a dung beetle? Of course, African elephant are the largest animals on earth, but considering the strength to weight ratio, many small animals are much stronger than large animals. Here is the list of 10 strongest animals in the world based on strength to weight ratio. Point 10. Eagle. Considering the power to lift the weight, eagles are stronger birds in the world. Eagles have powerful feet, large beak and sharp talons. It let them lift off prey that weigh 4 times their weight. Eagles are known for hunting foxes, deer and wild cats. Eagles are also regarded as a symbol of power, freedom and victory. There are 60 different species of eagle in the world. With their strong and broad wings, eagles fly up to a heights of 1,000 to 15,000 feet. They can also glide for hours without rest. Unlike other birds, eagles love the storm. They use the power of wind to fly higher. Their fearless hunters also have a strong vision. Their eyes have more light sensitive cells than humans, so they can easily spot prey and enemies from long distances. Point 9. Anaconda. There are 4 types of anaconda in the world: green anaconda, yellow anaconda, dark spotted anaconda, and Bolivian anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest and heaviest known snake in the world. Green anaconda can grow more than 30 feet in length and weight up to 22.7 kg. Anaconda belong to the family of non-venomous constrictor. Anaconda coil their heavy built body around the prey and squeeze it to death. Then they swallow the dead prey by the whole. The size of the prey is not matter for the anaconda. They can squeeze even large prey such as the wild pigs, jaguars and caiman. Point 8. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is one among most massive and powerful animals in the world. They found in various habitats across Canada, northwestern United States. Grizzly bear can reach a maximum heights up to 2.5 meter and weight up to 350 kg. They have a big head of 6 inches, claws and muscular hump. They also have a strong teeth and their bite force measure 102,000 pounds per square inch. Such a sharp bite could even crush a bowling ball. Grizzly bear get irritated very quickly. They will attack any animal that seems like a threat. In fact, these immensely powerful animals can beat any animals in the fight. Grizzly bears are very aggressive, especially when their cubs get attacked. Point 7. Ox. Oxen are also known as bullock in some countries, a larger and stronger breed of cattle. Oxen have been working as a draft animal since 4000 BC. Oxen are commonly adult males. They have a body length between 2.3 meters and weight up to 640 kg. Oxen are strong enough to carry a weight up to 800 kg. Oxen are many used for plowing fields and pulling carts. They can carry a heavy load for an extended period than other draft animals. Point 6. Tiger. Tiger are strongest and largest member of the cat family. They inhabit in swamps, rainforests and grasslands across southern Asia. There are 10 recognized subspecies of the tiger in the world. Siberian tiger is the largest of the family. An adult Siberian tiger would measure up to 75-95 inches in length and up to 306 kg in weight. Tiger have mighty jaws and 30 teeth in total. Canines of the tiger reach up to a length of 10 cm. Point 5. Gorilla. Gorilla are the largest primate in the world. They are known for their remarkable strength. Gorilla can reach 1.35 meter and weight up to 200 kg. Compared to a human being, the arms of gorilla are very large and strong. They can carry a weight up to 2 tons, that are 10 times more than their body weight. The arm spans of adult male gorilla measure between 2.2 to 2.6 meter. Gorilla follow knuckles walking to balance their weight. They can also walk by daily. Point 4. African bush elephant. African elephant are the largest living land animals in the world. African bush elephant and African forest elephant are two species in the family. African bush elephant are the largest of all mammals on earth. They are bigger and stronger than Asian elephant. African bush elephant can be 8 to 13 feet in height and weight up to 7 tons. African bush elephant can lift up to a weight of 9 tons. Their trunk is also very strong. It contains more than 4,000 muscles and tendons and can carry 200 kg of weight. African bush elephant also have larger ear than Asian elephant. African bush elephant are also known for their long tusks. Commonly their tusks grow up to a length of 2.5 meter and weight up to 45 kg. Leaf cutter ant. Point 3. This is a 2.5 cm long leaf cutter. Ants are one of the most incredibly strong creatures in the world. The small ant can carry the objects that are 50 times heavier than their body weight. The leaf cutter ant can also cover remarkable distances while carrying the weight. They have remarkable power jaws to carry large pieces of leaves to their nests. Even though the leaf cutter ants are very small in size, they have a large cross-sectional area of muscles than larger animals. Leaf cutter ants can also vibrate their jaws at a rate of 1000 times per second, so they can produce an animal force to move large objects. Leaf cutter ant also called as parcel ants because of the unique way they carry the leaf pieces. Leaf cutter ants does not feed on leaves. Instead, they use the leaf pieces as fertilizing to the cultivate fungi. A colony of leaf cutter ants include millions of individuals. They also can be severe threat to the agriculture ecosystem because a colony of leaf cutter ants can defoliate many valuable crops and plants. Point 2. Rhinoceros beetle. By considering the amount of weight can carry by an animal related to its weight, rhinoceros beetles are the second strongest animals on earth. They can carry objects that are 850 times heavier than their body weight. It is like a human of average size carry a weight of 65 tons. Rhinoceros beetles are the largest group of beetles in the world. They can reach up to a length of 6 inches. Male rhinoceros beetles have two remarkable horns on their head and other pouring them from their throats. The horns of species of beetle look like rhinos. Strong horns also let the rhino beetle move forward in junk road in the forest easily. Point 1 is dung beetle. The half-inch long dung beetle are the strongest living creature on earth. The male insect of this small species of insects can lift objects that are 1141 times heavier than their body weight. It is just like an average sized human carrying 80 tons. Dung beetle develop such extraordinary strength though the unusual compete for mate. Dung beetles use their horn to fight with the potential rivals. Such fights help the dung beetle to improve their strength. I have described above the name of the most powerful, strongest animals in the world which are living in the world. Please subscribe this channel which I am telling to you in English, who people living in the other country and don't know Urdu. So I am deriving this more information in English, especially for those who are my friend living in America, Canada, France, Germany and don't know English very well. So this channel is only for those persons and interesting in listening in English. Thank you for watching. Inshallah we shall meet again tomorrow.